How to fix ingrown toenails naturally. An ingrown toenail happens when the corner or edge of your toenail curves and grows into the surrounding skin. The result is pain, redness, swelling and, sometimes, an infection. Ingrown toenails usually affect your big toe. Common causes of ingrown toenails are toenail injury, wearing shoes that are too tight, cutting toenails too short, cutting toenails at an angle, improper foot hygiene, such as not keeping your feet clean or dry. Also, people who have diabetes, or other health problems that stop the blood from flowing to the feet properly. If not treated right away, ingrown toenails can lead to infection. This will be seen by redness and swelling around the nail, and pus and watery discharge which is colored with blood. Ingrown toenails may be more common in people with sweaty feet. Ingrown toenails that aren't infected can normally be treated at home. However, if your toenail has pierced the skin, or there is any sign of infection, seek medical treatment. 1. Warm water soak. Soaking your feet in warm water for few times per day. Soaking reduces swelling, pain and relieves tenderness. Fill a foot tub with warm water. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this 3 to 4 times a day to help pain. 2. Epsom salt. Another home remedy for ingrown toenail is Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate. Soak your feet in a warm foot bath with Epsom salt. Soaking your ingrown or infected toenail will help relieve the pain and pressure of an infection. It can also help to draw out pus from your toe. Fill a foot tub with warm water and add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in it. Soak your feet in this mixture for about 20 minutes. Now take out your feet and dry them completely. Do this remedy 3 to 4 times a week. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another home remedy for curing ingrown toenails. It has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving abilities. Apple cider vinegar will kill some of the bacteria in your ingrown toenail and reduce inflammation. It'll help to prevent infection and relieve the swollen skin. Apple cider vinegar can be used in 2 different ways to cure the ingrown toenail. Fill a foot tub with warm water and mix a 1/4 cup of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar in it. Now soak your feet in this mixture for 30 minutes. Dry your foot thoroughly after soaking. Repeat this remedy daily until the ingrown toenail is cured. Another way of doing it is soaking a cotton ball in raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Cover the affected toenail with a bandage and keep it like this for a couple of hours before taking it off. Dry the area thoroughly afterward. 4. Cotton wedge under the nail. After you soak your feet in warm water, try putting a fresh cotton wedge under your nail to make sure it grows above the skin. This will help relieve the pain and let it heal faster. Soak your feet in warm water and dry them very well. Lift the nail carefully with a pair of tweezers that is not too sharp. Put a small rolled-up piece of cotton between the nail and skin. To stop infection, use a new piece of cotton each time you soak your feet. Make sure not to push the cotton roll more than the swollen skin lets. You may feel some pain in the beginning, but it will get better quickly. 5. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural disinfectant that is commonly used to clean wounds to prevent infection. This is because it is antibacterial and antifungal in nature. Given these activities, hydrogen peroxide may be a great option for the treatment of ingrown nails. Mix half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in a foot tub filled with warm water. Soak your feet in this for 15 to 20 minutes. Dry the feet thoroughly afterward. Do this 2 to 3 times daily. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric paste has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving qualities, so it will reduce the swelling and the pain from the ingrown toenail. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1/2 tablespoon of mustard oil to make a paste. Cover the affected toenail with this paste and apply a bandage over it. Hold it for about an hour. Repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times daily. 7. Lemon juice and honey. Lemon and honey have a great antimicrobial effect on the skin. They'll fight the possible infection in the affected toenail. Apply a drop of lemon juice and a little bit of honey right onto the affected toenail. Cover the toenail with a bandage and leave it overnight. Repeat the procedure every evening until the toe gets better. 8. Trim your toenails correctly. In order to prevent ingrown toenails from occurring again, make sure to trim your nails properly. Always start trimming at the edges, not at the middle part. The smoother the edge, the lesser the chance of getting an ingrown toenail. Avoid sharp edges. Don't cut them too short, as they may dig into your skin as they keep growing. Trim your toenails once every 2 to 3 weeks. Few tips. Choose open-toed sandals and sensible footwear in order to provide extra room for your toes. If your shoes are too tight, they can push the nail into the nearby skin. It's better to wear shoes made of softer fabrics with more room for your toes. Women should try not to wear high heels to keep pressure off the toes. Try these recipes and let us know if you receive relief or not by visiting our comments section. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So keep on watching more videos to get the best natural home remedies.